In this video, we discuss how to set up anomaly policy thresholds that are based on Prisma Cloud's anomaly detection. Anomaly policy thresholds determine the conditions that must be met in order to generate an alert. Anomaly detection is based on behavioral analytics that Prisma Cloud uses by analyzing network, user, and entity behavior. These categories are in turn based on audit events and network flow logs. In Prisma Cloud, anomaly policy thresholds and anomaly trusted lists are configured by navigating to settings and selecting anomalies. There are two tabs related to anomaly settings. First, let's talk about alerts and thresholds. Within alerts and thresholds, you can also define your alert disposition, which allows you to determine the rate of related data that will trigger an alert. The options for alert disposition are conservative, moderate, or aggressive. A related tab is the training model threshold. Most training model thresholds have to do with time. These are broken down into low, medium, and high. All alert and threshold categories have alert dispositions. The details for these alert dispositions are related to the data that is collected. For example, if we view the alert disposition for port scan activity internal, we see that the disposition is based on the number of ports scanned, whereas the span bot disposition is defined by bytes transferred. Training model thresholds are also unique per category. You are encouraged to read both alert disposition and training model threshold descriptions before making your selections. The next tab is Anomaly Trusted List. There are times when we will want to run network scans or perform some level of network testing that will trigger an alert. In this case, we do not want to trigger unnecessary alerts since we are knowingly performing network testing. With an Anomaly Trusted List, you can add trusted IP addresses to exclude them from being reported as alerts or anomalies in Prisma Cloud. To add an Anomaly Trusted List, click on the Anomaly Trusted List tab. Click on Add Trusted List. We are asked to select the type. For our case, we click on the IP address as our trusted list type. Next, we enter a name for the trusted list. A description is optional. Then, we select which anomaly policy type to apply this trusted list to. You can select one or more anomaly policy types to a trusted list. For our trusted list, we will select Port Scan Activity Internal and click Next. We define the IP addresses in CIDR format. We can enter additional CIDR blocks by clicking the plus button. You can optionally narrow the scope of the trusted list by specifying a Cloud Account ID and specifying a virtual private cloud. Click on Save. Now you can edit the list, or you can delete the list by clicking on the Delete button.